How to cancel Wix subscription. This is really easy thing to do. Once you're inside your Wix, here you have to go to your account, right? And here you can just go and find your account settings. Now here you will see that there's a lot of option on the left side. So just go and click on premium subscription. If you have taken any subscription, you can cancel it up from here, and then you can just go and click on billing history and you will able to see all your history, right? Whichever premium you have to pay. So in the premium subscription, of course, you will find, for example, first of all, select your site and just go and click on cancel. By the way, guys, if you're not able to find this option, or in some case there's a different option to put it here, just go to your Wix homepage here and let it load for now. Okay, and I will select my store here. So let's say I will select my first store, let it load your dashboard, and now on the top right side corner you will see the search bar, right? And here you have to just type cancel, and here you will get all this information, and this is premium subscription. So once I click on here, I will be get redirected here, as you can see, and I can cancel my subscription. It's really easy. You have to just go and click on cancel. That's it, and your subscription will cancel in the Wix. I hope you got to know how to cancel your Wix subscription. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.